Hi guys, I am Vinod Murarka, Chartered Accountant. I hope you and your family members are doing fine during this pandemic and under a lockdown period. I also thank Raj for presenting us a double calendar system which predefined set of rules. The system gives us the rules for exiting a trade, for upside adjustments, downside adjustments, pre and post adjustment scenarios. This gives an edge to trader system. It is just not only a strategy, but it's a strategy which gives us the answer to what if. If the market goes up by 400 points, 500 points, if the market goes down by 400 and 500 points, how you should adjust your trade. That definitely gives us the confidence to take a trade. He has also given a stimulated result for last 12 months along with the adjustments which will definitely boost our confidence to trade double calendar. If we are confident enough to take our trade, we can easily scale it without any hesitation. Friends, we take any strategy of options, let it be straddles, strangles, butterflies, iron condors, and if we know predefined rules how to adjust that trade, then option trades becomes very handy, and we are confident that we can trade any such type of strategy. Double calendar gives us an edge to over all such systems. Adjustment is the main thing in any option trade, which gives us a way forward to trade. I really thank Raj for presenting us a double calendar system. Guys, I also want you to visit his site trendroosters.com for more inputs about the system. Thanks Raj for providing us a double calendar. That's it.